How to use old iCloud on new iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Scroll down and go to iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Over here, turn on the Backup this iPhone switch as shown. And then, scroll down and tap on Backup now to start the backup process. Apps and data from this phone will now back up to iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily use old iCloud on new iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.